EveryDollar is a budgeting app that was created by the team over at Ramsey Solutions. The goal of the app is to help you take back control of your money and make a plan for spending it before your paycheck arrives. EveryDollar helps you set up a budget in just 10 minutes. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of signing in to your EveryDollar account. So let's get started and find out how that can be done. First of all, open the app EveryDollar. Once loaded, tap on sign in option right here. Now you'll be redirected to this page where you'll be asked to enter your email address. Enter the email associated with your EveryDollar account, and once you do that, tap on continue. Now you need to enter the password. Enter your password and then tap on sign in, and that's it. You'll be logged into your EveryDollar account. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Tech Quest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.